Hello guys, welcome back again to the Toys Lover channel. Okay, on this video, I want to review the diecast motorcycle, but unusual scale guys. Normally, I review on the 1 of 12 scale, 1 of 18 scale. Now, it's more bigger than that. So, let's check it out guys. This is the package guys. Ooh, you still didn't see, right? So just clue for you, this diecast motorcycle with the nice body, with the nice shape, so cool and then so details. Okay, let's check it out and then we unboxing this box guys. Let's go. Wow, you already see it, right? Ooh, in the front of you. Okay, now we open it. Wow, guys, look at the wallpaper in the behind of the box. It's very nice. This is issued by Welly, so the scale is a 1 of 10 scale, diecast metal of course, and then the series is a MV Agusta F4. And then we going to the other side. This one is very nice as well. So the red color is very good guys. And then this is the item guys. Ooh, very nice guys, very nice. Okay, we will open it guys, so we can check with the details with more closer again. So this is it. Okay, so I will open it for this item. Okay, the box is open and we can see it more closer guys, more closer guys. Ooh, wow, it's like in the ocean guys, very blue. This is very nice, you can see it, right? The detailing is very awesome guys, because some of you may know that 1 of 10 scale is more bigger than 1 of 12 scale. So the partial of the material, I mean, is very details guys. Okay, let's open it and then let's see what is the details of this item guys. We open it first. This is it guys. Oh, this is the item. Wow, this is very nice guys, and then more bigger than 1 of 12 scale of course, if you can check in here. Okay, this is amazing guys. You can see in the back side, and then on the top you can see it, and then for the underbelly you can check. This is very nice guys. So this is MV Agusta F4. The scale is a 1 of 10 scale, issued by Welly guys. Okay, first of all, I will try to zoom it first for you guys. Oh, as usual, yeah, when we zoom the camera, the detailing is look more perfect, guys. Okay, we're gonna start to review on the fairing first. The fairing, if we can take a look from here, the material is from the plastic, and then with the silver color, guys, it's very nice. I really love it, guys. And then the shape is very nice guys, it's very good. And then also there is a logo of the F4 in there, as you can see it. And then we're going through the machine. So this is the engine, if you can see it, it's very nice as well. And then the Delta box, The Delta box is very nice as well. You can check, guys. Okay. And then for the footstep, the footstep is so okay, guys. So nice. And then there is the pipe going through the exhaust in there. Dual exhaust, guys. Oh no, 4 exhausts. Ooh, very nice, guys. This is the sexy, the sexy tail body. Okay, guys. And then you can see it for the F4 in there. And then also we're going through the tires. The tires, of course, can spin as usual. And then this is the mono arm, guys. You know, this is the mono arm. This is very sexy, very good, very nice, guys. As you can see it, right? Wow. And then this is the swing arm, the mono arm. I mean, very nice. Ooh, this is so good, guys. So cool. Okay, and this is there is a chain in here. The chain is unable to adjust. And then we're going through the other side. There is engine side in the left side. You can see it. So this is average, not too details, but I think it's still okay, guys. Okay, and then for the monoshock as a suspension, you can see it. There is a gold. Woo! This is very nice, guys. And the suspension can adjust, guys. This is very nice. Cool. Okay. And then we go into the front side, guys. Ooh, the front side is amazing, guys. You can see for the headlamp. God, it's very nice. And then also there is an air scoop in there. Very nice as well, guys. And then the front tires, of course, can spin as usual. And then there is a double disc. This is also cool. Also nice, guys. And then there is a radiator. The radiator also details, but you can see it, right? Still you can see it. Okay, we're going through the fuel tank, guys. The fuel tank, if I check in here, from the metal or from the die cast, guys. So this is the die cast, metal, and then we going to the tail body. The tail body, it's plastic, and then with the logo MV Agusta. And then this is as a single seater, guys. Yeah, so there is no passenger seats. Okay, this is very nice, so sexy, guys. You can see it, right? And then for the front seat, it's from the plastic, guys. Okay, we're going through the interior. Wow, the interior looks so nice. And then there is a F4 logo in there. This is so sexy, guys. And then for the steering, can move it to the left side and then the right side, guys. This is very nice as well. And then there is a steering damper in there. Okay, and then there is a mirror left side and then right side. You can see it. This is so cool. This is so cool, guys. You must buy it. You must buy.
No, God, please, no, no.
Just kidding, guys. I'm just speechless to look this item, guys, because this is so exotic bikes, guys. I really love it, this one, guys. Oh my God. Okay, I think it's enough the review from me. So hopefully can be your reference. I mean, so when you're looking for the still hunting for the diecast motorcycle, European bikes or European motorcycle bikes, this is recommended for you. So I purchased this in the local Indonesian market online. The price is approximately $20 US, guys. Okay, see you on the next video. Stay healthy, stay safe, bye.